Darshana Jayasinghe, doctoral candidate of Business Administration, Faculty of Graduate Studies of University of Kelaniya, along with Professor Bandara Vandinayaka, representing Faculty of Commerce and Management Studies of University of Kelaniya, would like to present my research article on the impact of social media influences on consumer brand relationship for branded fashion products in Sri Lanka, with moderating role of consumer innovativeness at this international joint e-conference ICAM 2021. To start, I would like to give a background of my study. Uh, this study is on influencer marketing. As you know, influencer marketing has gained attention of researchers on evaluating how influencers can incite behavioral change or affect public opinion. And from the studies that we understood that influencer marketing budget is estimated to be a 15 billion US dollars market by 2020, and 90% of the market is fine ROI from influencer marketing. When it comes to influencer marketing, social media influencers are commonly being referred, and those are celebrities. However, not all celebrities are social media influencers, because social media influencers emerge from social media networks. Especially a theory of attachment contributed to marketing immensely in terms of exploring strong relationship between brands and consumers for evaluating celebrities. However, social media influencer as a celebrity has not been explored under this theory of attachment. And also, when it comes to a global fashion industry, uh, is the main industry use influencers, and 60% of the industry goes for influencer campaigns. And at the fashion influencer market is estimated to be a 9.2 billion by 2026, with a CAGR of 38.5%. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we see that the fashion industry impacted significantly. Profit is expected to fall by 93% as per the McKinsey's recent report. So as Sri Lankan brand fashion industry also impacted significantly with zero travelers in the first wave of a lockdown. However, the silver line is the digital channels that has driven the growth for fashion industry, and it is expected to be 20% annual growth in 2021 as per the recent McKinsey report. Looking at the research problem and the purpose, the main problem of the research that I'm going to address is the key traits of attributes of social media influencers in Sri Lanka, driving the consumer relationship for branded fashion in Sri Lanka. So that is the main problem that I'm going to address, and also I'll be looking at social media influences, how social media influences positively impact on the consumer brand relationship, and also how consumer innovativeness moderate the relationship between social media influences and the CBR. The purpose of this study is to give a guideline for marketeers and advertisers in the fashion industry to appreciate the key traits of social media driving the CBR, and also to facilitate them to understand the innovative nature of Sri Lankan consumers, and also how they engage with SMIs, and also Sri Lankan SMIs to focus on the important attributes that will increase the followers engagement. So justification for this study is being addressed through the author Veeraman. In 2017, he actually argued that the marketers are still struggling to identify these common attributes of SMIs, and also different studies have identified different attributes, and some are very contradictory, and no empirical studies in Sri Lanka conducted on the efficacy of influencer marketing activities. Looking at the critical arguments of this literature study, what we see is the social online relationships are becoming interactive, engaging, and it is being helped in building a strong emotional attachment for consumers as well as brands. And there are three main attributes that has been highlighted in this study, which are trustworthiness, expertise, and attractiveness, which is been introduced by Ohanian in 1999 and later been developed by Hovland, and that is the model that has been explored and analyzed in this study. And also we literature highlighted that the social media has actually impacted the dynamics of CBR, especially with the information and the fragmentation of social media has challenged the contribution from CBR. And also consumer innovativeness has been influences the consumer brand relationship by reducing the complexity. And also, Steenkamp also argues that the consumer innovativeness is moderated by the innovations, marketing efforts, and the psychological factors. So based on that, the conceptual framework that I have developed is this. And as you can see, the influencer marketing is being measured with three attributes: attractiveness, trustworthiness, and expertise. These attributes are actually been from the literature review. And also my dependent variable is the consumer brand relationship. And globally, very limited studies you find on the influencer marketing impact of influencer marketing on the CBR. And also the moderator is the consumer innovativeness, where I will look at whether there is a moderating relationship between the CBR and the influencer marketing. So methodology that I have used here is the online survey method. It's a questionnaire distributed in western province of Sri Lanka. I've used a 5 Likert scale for measurements, and used the non-probability sampling method and the snowballing sampling method. The cross-sectional study was conducted in western province of Sri Lanka, targeting social media users who are aged between 20 to 55 years, and also who are familiar with the social media influencers. So based on the collected data, 151 participants data were collected, and only 140 respondents were selected for the analysis. And reliability, validity of the studies being looked at, and also appropriate for the hypothesis testing also being analyzed using the IBM SPSS software. So when it comes to the finding and the conclusion, the most important thing is all three attributes of SMIs are actually positively associated with CBR. The trustworthiness, expertise, and attractiveness. All three are positively associated. However, expertise is the strongest attribute that is associated with the CBR. And surprisingly, consumer innovativeness does not moderate the positive relationship between the social media influencer and the CBR. This may be due to the low involvement of the product of fashion product, and it is not a high involvement product. This may well be different with another product. The limitation for this study is, as you know, this data was collected using convenience sampling method. And also study was conducted with the consumers of only one province. And when you expand to other industries, the social, cultural, and economic disparities might influences the study. And this empirical study only evaluates three attributes. But however, in the literature, there are some other attributes like similarity, closeness, entertainment values of SMS are also being looked at. So that's the study. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.